TWI is a global leader in R&D and consultancy in the fields of engineering, welding and joining, materials, asset management, structural integrity, and non-destructive evaluation technologies. TWI has over 60 years of innovation and knowledge transfer of different technologies. It's a membership-based organization with over 700 industrial members from all over the world. And it's also a world center of expertise in manufacturing, engineering, materials and joining, with certification courses from different training schools located all around the globe, as well as the facilities here in the UK, where the headquarters are in Cambridge. In the NDE group, we offer inspection and monitoring technologies. We take special effort and focus on developing solutions for different industries and challenging materials and structures.
TWI are a partner in the Graphosite project. The project is funded by Innovate UK, and the main objective is to develop a structural health monitoring system based on a graphene sensor for defect detection and predictive maintenance in composite materials.
TWI is validating the graphene sensor by performing tests under different loading conditions that will provide information about its mechanical response, its sensitivity, and its suitability for measuring displacement. This graphene sensor is being developed and it's aimed at sensing strain and identify defects through smart algorithms that later on will be developed with the data that we gather from the tests in the lab.
And we can see here just a few pictures in which we have the tensile testing facility and the specimen here in the middle, where we can attach a graphene sensor on one side and a strain gauge off the shelf on the other side, and compare the behavior of the two so that we can understand how the graphene sensor behaves under various loading conditions.